HCC's Stafford's Workforce Solutions building is where a lot of cool stuff winds up. So it's really no surprise that it now possesses some amazing NASA history.
Hi, I'm Randall Williams. I'm with HCC Community College. I run a fabrication lab down here at Stafford. And last week we picked up some NASA surplus that we had requested, and we were lucky enough to be granted. So we have behind us an external tank and 2 SRBs. These are for the hypersonic, I guess. I'm not sure I've got that right. Wind tunnel tests. And you can find these online. You can actually see the earlier models. These are really expensive. Back in the day, this was a $250,000 project. Unfortunately, we didn't get the shuttle Model 2, but these are really cool. The skin on these things are about 1/2 inch thick in aluminum. Plus, there's all sorts of little tidbits that came with it, and little things like this. So what's cool about this is, this is a blueprint that's been etched into aluminum. So it's been photo exposed, and you actually get all the information here of what the project was. So these were made by Rockwell International Space Division out of California, and this is, this one was for the fuselage. So to check their building, because remember, this is before digital. So to check what they were building, they would probably have blueprints, and they would make the scale model as close as they could, and then they would actually put these against the side of the shuttle fuselage and check their fit over and over again. And you can see, it's kind of like an accordion. They would come out, and there'd be dozens and dozens of these. So we're really, of all these things, these are probably some of the coolest things we got, because these are normally just thrown away and you never see them again. But really cool model pieces. So we got the 2 SRBs, we got the ET fuel tank. We also have some other miscellaneous pieces. We have a tail model and a couple wing models for different scales than these, so they weren't part of this. And then one of these days, I'll keep watching, and hopefully we'll get the actual shuttle model put with these. So I'm building a base out back using our shop tools, and a really solid base, because this is about, when it's all put together, about 800 pounds worth of metal and steel. Because the stand is steel, and these are aluminum. So this is gonna be really cool. It's gonna be nice. It's here at the lab at Stafford, so at the Workforce Building. You're welcome to come see it. We're here Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, and you can come see our lab. We're here 10 to 4 on Saturdays, assuming the school's open. If it's a holiday, we're not here, don't drive up. The building's not open, we're not here, obviously. But we have some other things. We have a flag that came from Skylab. We've got some other little pieces and parts. And we'll put this thing on display in probably about a month or so, but even in the meantime, it'll be here in the lab. You can come see it. We'd be happy to have you visit our lab, our machine shops, our air conditioning and welding, and our robotics. We've got some really cool stuff, a lot of workforce stuff, and it's a great building. So please come visit us. My name is Randall Williams, Houston Community College.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.